How to access an object attribute with a dot in its name. I am using a bunch class to transform a dict to an object. The problem is, I have a key with a dot in its name, test.this apostrophe colon true. So when I call, I have the attribute. But I can't access it. I got an attribute error. How can I access this attribute?
You can use get. Alternatively, you can get the value from the objects _dict_. Use vars to get spam's dict.
Implement _get item _self key. Edit. I don't recommend accessing d._dict_ directly from a client of a D instance. Client code like this is trying to reach into the underpants of D and requires knowledge about implementation details of D.
A correct suggestion would be to avoid using dot in the variables. And even if we use somehow, it's better to get it using getItcher. If we are being stubborn by avoid standards, so this may help. Not provided test.this as the key. You may want to create a nested dict iterating through the keys having dots.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.